what's up with it, man. Let me turn this brightness down. That's cool. So yeah, man, we got a little point of view drive today, man. Feel me? Got the GoPro on, man. I normally be recording with the phone, man, but we gonna have some GoPro action. It's early in the morning, about 6 in the morning. Hopefully I do not run into no cops, man. We don't got time for that. It's a nice house. But yeah, man, we really just gonna hit the back roads with it, man, and just have a chill little point of view drive. I just put some new carbon fiber in here. We actually gonna hit these back roads. I'm not too familiar with these roads, but I know they like real chill though. You feel me? So yeah. I'm gonna hop on the paddles too. Yeah, dog, I've been going crazy with the vlogs, man. I used to just do content like this, like point of view drive and stuff. But now I just be like vlogging a lot and stuff. Ain't too much changed about the car. Like I said, I just put some point of view. I mean, not some fucking carbon fiber in. I'm tired, bro. But yeah, I put some carbon fiber in it, man, and yeah, that's about it. Everything said the same. Cause I done did a POV with the steering wheel already and shit. Damn, boy, get on your side of the road. You probably don't think nobody gonna be out. But I really ain't gonna talk too much. It's just gonna be a little chill point of view drive, show the whip and shit. Then they got some nice ass properties, bro. That shit like a fucking, man, that shit look nice as hell, bro. See, I ain't really, let me scoot up a little bit. I'm stretching my arms out like a motherfucker. But yeah, I don't really be around this part of town, man, so really sightseeing for real, for real. Oh shit, glad I won't speed and look at this big ass car. Traction off. Like I said, it's gonna be real chill, man. A chill POV drive. I'm tired as hell. We'll do a pull though. Do a Yeah, I want to go ahead and get a Y pipe for this car real soon. A resonated Y pipe, because I'll be going with a full motor down catback dual exhaust soon. But yeah, I want to go ahead and get a Y pipe though, because that won't be as much as. Damn, I was about to do a pull. This car just pulled out in front of me. Fuck, I'll still do one. Yeah, man, we in the country with it, dog. Dig. Straight boonies, man. It's cool out here, though, bro. I'm trying to move to Wilmington for y'all that don't keep up with my vlogs, man. It's like a beach town. I got offered a job out there, so that'll be cool. It'll be a lot different from this little vibe. You feel me? But I always wanted to do like the beach vibe, though. Yeah. So I'm gonna go right. Another back road, man. On the country full of back roads, though. We're gonna go this way. Nobody on the road right now. But yeah, man, I ain't really got no destination for this shit, man. I'm just driving around, showing the whip. I ain't really trying to go too crazy on no speed either. Just kind of chilling. paddles, but I don't really use them like that. But I be trying to get more familiar with them and shit. Short shifting like a motherfucker. Look at that duck. I didn't even see that duck crossing the street. His ass crossed on his own time, chilling. We got lights. But I don't really be around this bit. Well, you know, I need to go left. I gotta let that shit redline, bro. It's better for this car to redline. It don't like shifting under 7,000. It's always gotta be a car in front of me, man. Carbon though, man. It's going crazy. I started off that year with no bills. All the boys talk about this death all day, but I know he ain't got no kills. Y'all make a point of view like really cutting up, but this one gonna be just